There's a bulldozer on the street. Ramming cars.
It's back on the highway.
Picked up a person just a minute ago.
Oh, he's still in there.
Oh, he's gone. Aw.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Yep. Sorry, guys. I gotta use my camera because my Twitch is not working, or my live stream. So yeah, sorry about that.
I didn't know you could do this.
I didn't know cars could do backflips when you barely even flip them. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we gonna do another one. That cop is about to get hurt if he does not move. That one too. Now, guys, we just wonder if a bulldozer could go off-road in some dirt. Oh.
Yeah, there goes the cop.
Oh, it froze. Oh, man. Oh, that sucks.